Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Code. Today we are going to create Angular app and that would be to check weather using the OpenWeather API and that would be created on top of Angular 17. So let me see what is the current version I have. So that is ng space version. So hopefully I will be having 17.2, that is fine. And what is my folder for this one? I will be, let me copy paste. So for that one I will be moving to F and cd, and here I can again create ng new, and name of my application would be Angular 17 weather. It will take some time, so I will choose SCSS. No, I don't need server-side rendering. Let's jump into my folder and let's open VS Code now. That record space dot. So that is the brand new Angular 17 template. We can just double check the version. Yeah, that is Angular 17. And what is the structure? Almost same as we have previously on the previous versions. So we have config, routes, app component, and the app component.html. Good. Okay. ng space serve will start this application. Let's see how it looks. So it's now running. Let's go to localhost 4200. So Angular 17 weather app is now up. Yeah, from template point of view, it's a bit different. It's refreshing. Okay, so anyway, we have to remove all of that from here. Yeah, so we can remove all of that styling and everything which is in that side panel and everything that is here inside right side. Control S, and now it's pretty much clean. Okay, now we can remove that as well. All right, so that was good. Okay, next thing we will need is input field of type text, a button, and we can say search weather. All right, let's move both of those components here, the both of those elements basically. Great. And we can add those inside active. Let's create that method here in this class. Let's find a click event with my button. So now let's search, it's working, and we can get the latest value from the input as well. And for that one, let me create search query is of type string, and I will initialize with empty, and I can point that search query to the input field, and to point that one we have syntax with that ng model, and we can pass it to our search query like this, and we can pass search query here as well. So whatever we write inside that text field, that will be populated in an alert box. All right. Okay, the ng model. So that was expected because for that binding, we will require forms module like this. Let me press Control S, and now it's working. Great stuff. So let's give it a style. Let's add for 20 pixels. Looks good now. Okay, so that was the one thing, and let's add a div here, and here we can just let's say display results, and we can use for now let's declare a variable results, and let's assume it's of type string, and we can just populate results here. And by clicking that one, I can set this dot results is equal to weather details, right? And if you see now, we can see something. Now weather details are coming. So this is a basic setup we already done with the required components, and the next thing will be the call to the actual API, which is our weather API. So I already have created the test API key for that one, which is currently active. As soon as we click, we are getting the data from that API. So we will be integrating that API in that application, the Angular 17 based application in our next video. In case of any question or queries, do ask me in the comments, and see you in the next one.